Hey there, this is a video showing you how to share your pre-recorded video lessons with students on Google Classroom. Depending on where you save your videos, you need to find those first. I'll show you two places that you might have them. If you're using Screencastify, then those video lessons are saved in the Screencastify folder in your Google Drive. So if you just go to My Drive under Google Drive and then go to Screencastify, then you'll see any videos you recorded with timestamps on them here for these pre-recorded ones. You can to share them on Google Classroom, you need to make them viewable by anyone with the link. So the first thing you need to do is choose the one you want to share. So I'll take this one here, and then right click it, and then you can click on Get Shareable Link. If you turn that on, there's a little switch here, turns it on. It says anyone anyone in Woodland Park School District with the link can view it, and it automatically copies it to the clipboard as well. So it's like a right click copy sort of thing. It already did that with the link as soon as you share it. If it's already been shared, you can also go here and just go back to Shareable Link, and it copies it to the clipboard again. And then in Google Classroom, you can make an assignment. I'm going to pull up my pretend class here. If you want this to be part of an assignment, you go to Create Assignment, and then you title it, whatever the video is, and maybe the topic, date, whatever, and then choose which students you assign it to. If it's assigned to all students, then you just keep that checked. If not, you uncheck all students, and then choose the students you want to assign it to. Choose whether it's scored or not. A lot of you have topics, so you put it in the right topic that you want it in, and then add in the instructions here as well. If there's a file that goes with the video, like another document, you can attach that. Make sure that link you add through the attachments button, not in the instructions. So you click on Add Link, and remember I had that link that I copied. I'm going to paste here. Let's see, you can right click and paste, or you can do Control V for paste. So there's the link. I'm going to add link, and then there's the video. And then, of course, you can assign it now. You can schedule it for later, save it as a draft. I'm going to go ahead and assign it now. And then it shows up under classwork, under whatever topic you put it under, and then it'll look like this to students here. If they click on the actual assignment, it'll look like this. So that's how you copy and paste those links. Just another little thing. If you're recording a video that you want to share through Google Meet, like not recording a live lesson with students in it, but maybe use the record feature in Google Meet to record your meeting, just it's under My Drive, and then there's a folder called Meet. Let's see. It's called Meet Recordings. And the videos kind of work the same way. It has a title. If you gave that Meet a title, it has the timestamp there too. Same thing. You right click it, go to go to Get Shareable Link, turn it on, and then it's in the clipboard, and that's what you put into Google Classroom.